13 proven ways to make money on Amazon in 2022. It doesn't get much bigger than Amazon when it comes to online money makers. Amazon's a great place to start for any entrepreneur looking for a new way to generate income. They provide a number of options for you to share the wealth through their platform. You might be surprised at how simple it is to become an Amazon bestseller or generate significant income on Amazon. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unlimited Money, where we bring you the most recent ideas to make money online. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our amazing videos. And let's begin! Whether you sell something or not, there are numerous ways to make money on Amazon. Here are some ways that Amazon can help you generate income regardless of your skills or resources. So, why Amazon? Since its inception in 1994, Amazon has amassed a gross market value of $344 billion on the online marketplace worldwide. No other e-commerce site generates as much revenue. In 2017, Amazon marketplace sales accounted for an estimated 20% of total retail e-commerce sales. There is money to be made on a variety of online shopping platforms, but Amazon's the largest and arguably the most versatile option, whether you're selling or earning money from products and services. So, how to make money on Amazon? 1. Affiliate marketing. As an Amazon affiliate, one of the most straightforward ways to make significant money on Amazon without selling anything yourself. Amazon's affiliate program is a behemoth in the Amazon money-making universe. You can make money as an Amazon affiliate if you have online reach, whether it's through a website, blog, or as a community moderator. All you have to do is recommend products on Amazon in a product category that your target audience would be interested in. You'll be paid a commission if your audience clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase. The Amazon affiliate typically receives between 4% and 10% of the product's purchase price. Being a part of the Amazon affiliate program is simple and can be extremely profitable. Number 2, Amazon Handmade. Think again if you thought Etsy was the only place to sell quality handmade goods. You can sell clothing, jewelry, accessories, art, and other artisan goods on Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade will provide you with a unique URL, making it much easier for your customers to find your shop. Amazon makes things easier and more affordable for handmade sellers than for other types of sellers. A professional selling account costs $39.99 per month, but this fee's waived for handmade sellers. Simply pay a 15% referral fee on your total sales price. Number 3, Amazon Merch. Do you think of yourself as an artist or designer? Amazon Merch could be ideal for you. Even if you're not an expert, you may be able to create great designs that make money on this platform if you are aware of cultural trends and have access to basic design software. You can sell your designs on t-shirts, hoodies, and a variety of other items. You will not be charged anything to sell your items on Amazon. Amazon's in charge of printing, shipping, packaging, and customer service. Number 4, Kindle Direct Publishing. Are you a writer or do you have access to a writing team? Getting your work published no longer necessitates the involvement of a publishing house. You can publish Kindle books on their platform using Kindle Direct Publishing. You can receive 70% of total sales royalties. On this platform, you are not limited to digital Kindle book options. Hard copies can also be printed. Prolific writing is essential for making money in this field. Number 5, Fulfillment by Amazon. When it comes to making money on Amazon, an Amazon FBA business is a less well-known option. Still, it's a great way to make money without having to worry about shipping or customer service. Your products are stored in an Amazon warehouse where they can earn you money on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything. This program is used by Amazon Prime to get products to customers faster. Number 6, Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you want to make a little extra money without starting a big project, attracting an audience, or selling anything, the Mechanical Turk project might be for you. This is one of the simplest types of Amazon work to get started with little initial investment. This program allows you to join Amazon's vast army of remote workers. Your responsibilities may include taking surveys and moderating and validating content. Number 7, Retail Arbitrage. Have you ever seen a really good deal at your local big box store, such as Walmart, and thought the price was very reasonable? If you use Retail Arbitrage, stocking up on discounted products can make you money. Retail Arbitrage allows you to profit by taking advantage of big box store discounts and selling them on Amazon. You can earn a significant percentage of your income for many products by taking advantage of clearance sales, coupons, and so on. Number 8, sell a service. Amazon product sales and advertising aren't the only ways to make money on Amazon. You can also make a good living on an Amazon store if you have a service to offer. Amazon can help you connect with clients, whether you tutor musical instruments or a school subject. There are no advertising or setup fees, and there is no monthly subscription. All you need is general liability insurance with a $1 million occurrence cap and a business background check that has been cleared. Number 9, make a brand. Choose a product you enjoy, order it from the manufacturer, and imprint your brand and logo on it to become a brand seller. List your product on Amazon at whatever price you believe is competitive. You have complete control over your products as an Amazon seller with your own brand. To protect your private label product from counterfeiters, you can apply for brand registry with Amazon. It's difficult to compete on Amazon, but if you have a product with unique value or competitive advantage, you can make a lot of money selling branded products on Amazon. Number 10, be a wholesale seller. Because of its network of wholesale sellers, Amazon can frequently offer the most competitive prices for the products that most people and businesses require. Wholesalers get products at a discount because they buy in large quantities. They can then afford to sell those products on Amazon at the lowest possible price. This is a competitive industry in which wholesale sellers compete with the lowest possible bottom line prices. You may not be able to earn a significant income unless you have your own warehouse space to store products, allowing you to avoid relying solely on the FBA program and storing products in Amazon's warehouse. Number 11, online arbitrage. Online arbitrage works similarly to physical arbitrage, except you'll be purchasing items online rather than in person. If you enjoy finding great deals but don't have time to run around to retail stores, this could be a great option for you. In general, eBay's the best place to look for the lowest priced items. You can get products for much less than their retail value if you stay on top of bidding. Number 12, Amazon's trade-in program. The Amazon trade-in program will not allow you to make money, but it will allow you to obtain Amazon gift cards. Because almost anything can be purchased on Amazon, it's as good as money to most people. By keeping an eye out at local garage sales or anywhere you can get used items for very low prices, this can be a great way to make a little extra money. As a credit, you can receive up to 25% of the product's original retail price. Number 13, Amazon Influencers. Amazon Influencers are a distinct affiliate program that differs from Amazon Associates. Amazon Influencers use social media to promote products. The Amazon Influencer program may be right for you if you have a large social following rather than a blog, website, or forum. Approved influencers receive a unique URL on their own Amazon page to showcase the products they recommend to their followers. You'll get a commission if one of your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter followers buys one of those products. The trick is to figure out which products each audience member might be interested in and market to them accordingly. And that's it for today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you see more of our incredible videos. You can also watch our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for watching.